world where equations rule and numbers challenge the bold. One hero rises to decode the mysteries of math. Math Agent X.
Indefinite integrals in this.
It's not just equations.
The second derivative test.
Dive into high school and
Let's
college
look at
realms.
this on the left here.
Algebra,
We have
trigonometry,
points A, B.
calculus, and number theory.
Unlocking secrets of the void. Where
All transformed into electrifying, easy-to-grasp concepts on YouTube. Watch as Math Agent X conquers past exam questions
Please remember, if the question's in radians, you'll need to work in radians.
and unveils hidden patterns, delivering fast-paced, cinematic lessons for today's fearless learners.
Be working in that. Make sure there's the fractions, so to turn them upside down.
Way.
Now,
Are you ready to hack the matrix of math?